Hello friends, I'm Shimson. This is my first video. I hope you like it and forgive me for any mistake. Today I'm going to elaborate my experience of using Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra smartphone, and this is the contemporary signature Samsung phone in the market, and it is the phone that is commonly compared with iPhone 12. I have used this phone for the last couple of weeks, and here is my personal review. I have divided the review into 4 categories in order to make it as simple as possible to understand: looks, performance, comfort, and battery.
Let's talk about looks. Its full screen is not like iPhone's big cutout for speaker and sensors. It's really hard to even notice that many speaker and all sensors are hidden underneath the screen. The front camera is small enough to overshadow one negative point. And the curved design additionally supports the phone's extended screen concept, and it feels like there is nothing but the screen.
The camera design is really stunning. Samsung has made its signature design with this Ultra series, which is quite catchy.
The size of the phone is quite big. I think Samsung has once again pushed the boundary and made this smartphone size wider on this Ultra series. I don't know how it will affect other smartphones in the future, but clearly it has led the race. It is okay for the people with big palm and long fingers, but I have found people feel uncomfortable to use with one hand for those who have small palms. Negative thing I have found about this phone is that ladies are not that interested, especially because of its bulky design, though it can easily fit into an average size lady's purse. The mystic bronze color is very gorgeous and sexy, but the matte finishing is not quite satisfying for me because I can still see finger marks all around its back. The phone is quite easy to clean since it is water resistant. During this pandemic, we don't have to think twice to wipe it with water or alcohol. Okay, I will give 9 out of 10 for its looks. Let's talk about performance. The phone has 108 megapixel camera which takes the picture beyond expectation. I am a pretty picture enthusiast, so I try to see details in pictures and I am really satisfied with its camera performance. Video quality is also exceptional as it has 8K video capturing capacity at 24 fps. So this is really the main reason that I bought this phone, and I must say I'm fully satisfied. Apps opening timing is pretty fast, however it also depends upon the type of application that we open. But if I talk about the common apps such as Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, YouTube, then the time it takes is not even counted. You just touch and there it is. Split screen is one of my favorite features. Sometimes when I watch video and text at the same time, then it won't bother me because the screen size is big enough to accommodate the video, app and keyboard at the same time. I'm really happy to have this phone for this reason as well. Okay, here it comes the 5G. As it is still not common in many parts of the world, but here in Kuwait it's partly available. And wherever I have used it, its speed is exceptional. There is no any traces of video buffering or anything. The video never lags. You feel the difference between 4G and 5G very easily.
The loudspeaker is as expected, not too loud but not bad as well. We can play music and dance in a room only with its speaker, but it is average if you play outdoor.
Finger scan is okay. It can detect wet finger as well, which is quite handy for swimmers, especially because the phone itself has IP68 rating, which is the maximum rating for any electronics devices. I'll give 9 out of 10 for its performance. Let's talk about comfort. The phone has 6.9 inches wide screen which sometimes messes up the experience by accidental touching on the unwanted area, but I think it will be no problem after some times of usage. It's 208 gram which is quite heavy. However, nowadays the weight is not of any concern because most of the phone of this range comes around this weight. But some people still may find it as a negative factor. Display brightness is quite extraordinary because it can be easily visible while using outdoor during the sunny weather. Flashlight. Although not everyone use this feature other than camera, but the flash capacity is not that satisfactory. I have compared to some of Samsung's budget phones and found out that they have even better flash than it has. Okay, I'm not a big fan of S Pen. I hardly use it because I feel more comfortable to write text. However, I have used it to check its comfortability and found it's really handy for the people who are constantly taking notes because you don't even have to unlock the phone to make a note. I will give 9 out of 10 for its comfort. 4500 mAh battery is okay. I will not say it's remarkable because the phone is quite big and highly priced, but still failed to provide enough battery capacity. Why I'm saying this is that Samsung has given even 5000 mAh battery in some of its budget phone and they last for 2 days properly. But anyone would expect to have a high battery capacity for this kind of phone. Come on, it's already 2021 and we still can't have a good phone that lasts at least 2 days battery? Super fast charging timing takes 1 hour to full charge. Wireless charging is good. It took me around 2 hours to full charge from less than 10%. Reverse charging. Now this is one of my favorite feature as it is really handy sometimes when you don't have a charger and you run out of battery. You can charge from similar Samsung phones to have it emergency charge. Remaining battery after average daily usage is 30%. This is the thing that I was talking about earlier. Although it is not the only phone of this price range to have this issue, but I would really appreciate if it has the battery capacity to last the charge for at least 2 days. I will give 8 out of 10 for its battery. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you find this video informative. Please like, comment, share the video and subscribe my channel. See you later.